Hi, hello, welcome to Bilingua tutorial. This is Maya Anandan. Today our topic of discussion is noun phrase. Let's see what's a noun phrase. A noun phrase acts like a noun in a sentence and it is headed by a noun or a pronoun. So you must know what's a noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing or an idea. So noun, if it is a naming word, it is said to be noun. See the first example here. My brother is a soldier. That's a sentence given here. You can see a combination of a pronoun and a noun. My brother. That is a noun phrase in the sentence. And it acts as name of a person. My brother. You can substitute this my brother with a name. See the example given below. Madhu is a soldier. So I just substitute a name there as my brother. Madhu is a soldier. Just like that, we can substitute names or name for the noun phrases. See the second example. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. Here 5 little monkeys is the subject of this sentence. And it is the noun phrase too. 5 little monkeys is the noun phrase in this sentence. And we can see it's a combination of a numeral determiner 5 and a quantifier determiner little and plural form of noun monkey. So it is the combination of determiner and a noun. And it is referring to group of animals. So it is the name of animal. See the third example. My shop is in the town. There you can see two noun phrases. My shop is one phrase and in the town is another phrase. And my shop, it says about name of a thing. My shop, a pronoun and a noun. And in the town is referring to the name of a place. In the town. Where is the shop? It's in the town. It is referring to the place. And it is a combination of a preposition in and an article the and a noun. So it is a combination of preposition, article and noun. So some modifiers plus noun. See the fourth example. The table looks clean. That table. So we are referring to again a thing. That table. That table looks clean. In the sentence, that table is a noun phrase. Here that is a pronoun and table is a noun. So it is the combination of a pronoun and a noun. Then see the fifth example. True love always wins. True love. True love is the subject here. So it is referring to an abstract idea. True love is the abstract idea. And we know a subject must be a noun. And here in the sentence, a noun is true love. So it is a noun phrase referring to idea. And it is a combination of an adjective, true, and the noun, love. Then see the next example, sixth one. Playing cricket is a happiness. So subject of the sentence is playing cricket and object is a happiness. So you can see two noun phrases are there. Playing cricket is the subject. It is referring to name of an action. Then a happiness is the name of an idea. So there are two noun phrases in the sentence. Playing cricket is a happiness. See the first noun phrase in the sentence, playing cricket. It's a combination of a gerund, playing, and a noun, cricket. Then the second noun phrase in the same sentence, a happiness, is a combination of an article, a, and happiness, the noun. Okay, then we can discuss the form of a noun phrase. Noun phrases can be formed in different ways. First one, it is combination of a determiner and a noun. See the given example. Those houses are very expensive. Those is a determiner and houses is a noun. So altogether these two words make a noun phrase. Then see the second example. Combination of an adjective and a noun. Our closest friend had just bought a new car. There, our is a determiner, then closest is the adjective, then friends is a noun. Then third case, it is a quantifier plus determiner plus a noun. See the example given here. All those children are waiting for food. There all is a quantifier and those is a determiner and children is the noun. Okay, then see the word order in a noun phrase. See, if a determiner is there, it must be written in the beginning. So, a determiner, then if there is an adjective, it must be there in the second position. Then comes, if there is some more adjective or a noun as a modifier, that should be written there. Then comes the main noun. For example, you can see here, a heavy iron gate. Here, a is a determiner and heavy is an adjective. Then iron is a modifier. Then gate is the main noun. In short, the form of noun phrase, it is a modifier plus noun. And see the position of modifiers. Some modifiers comes before the noun in the noun phrase and some comes after the noun in the noun phrase. See the first one, an article always comes in the beginning. That means before noun. Then a possessive noun like Ritas, Aruns will also come in the beginning of the noun phrase just before the main noun. Then possessive pronouns like his, her, their, your, they'll also come in the beginning of the noun phrase just before the noun, main noun. Then the adjectives like that, big, beautiful will also come in the beginning of the noun phrase. Then the participles, both past and present participle will also come in the beginning of a noun phrase, just like trained or barking. Prepositions are also used in the beginning of a noun phrase, just like on the bench, in the front. Then any determiner can be there in the beginning of a noun phrase, and some of the determiners and their examples are given here. Just go through that. These can be also there coming in the beginning of a noun phrase. Let's see the modifiers which comes after the noun. See the prepositional phrases, participle phrases, infinitive phrases. All these phrases will come after the noun as a modifier for the noun phrase, and these will be explained in coming class. And here ends today's class. Hope you understood noun phrase and thank you for watching. Thanks.